Hi guys, this is Nitin. I just wanted to tell you that I attended Shamila ma'am's workshop related to change. So what she took me through in this 2 days journey was an eye opener. It made me change my belief system that our thoughts make me who I am. Most of the time I was on autopilot, just going on with the mundane tasks. But in this, I learned that I am the one to come out of my comfort zone. I am not a victim of my circumstances, and I am the victor, but a victor of my life. I have known her since my childhood days, through my primary education until date. It's an honor to call a second mother for the love and care, and I've learned a lot and I've gained a lot and lots from her to build my personality and to be in this successful position today. Thank you, ma'am. Love you lots.